I think that's us live now. Good evening, everybody. It's Shirley and Mark here from Cuevas Helena.
Evening.
Obviously, the purpose of us being on here tonight is to discuss the winner of the 2-night giveaway at Cuevas Helena. We're actually not sure whether there's anybody actually on here. I might just be speaking to myself because it's just there's nobody showing up. If there's anybody here, please let us know.
Is there anybody out there?
Anybody there? We're not sure if it's actually went live. Could somebody please click the button and let us know if they can hear us, if the sound's okay?
Hit the heart at the button.
Looks as if somebody's came in now, Mark, so maybe if you could just let us know. Not sure where. Anyway, I'm just going to go on. Obviously, could you check, Mark, on it to make sure that we're live? Because I can't see the comments coming up.
There's four.
All right, okay. I'm not sure whether here we go. Hiya, Helen. Hiya. Thanks very much. We weren't sure if it was coming through or not. I'll probably repeat myself a wee bit here because we weren't sure if we were connected at the start. Our internet, I'm going to say now, our internet is really bad here tonight. We've got a bit of a windy night, so if it drops out, I do apologise, but we'll try and get back on if it goes. So
it's quite bad in a few parts of Spain, actually.
So I just sort of say that now. Right, okay, so this week has been fantastic regarding the entries to our 2-night giveaway. And the amount of people that we've had engagement has just been fantastic. All the likes and the shares and the comments. Seen some folk coming in. Hi, Christine. Christine's here a few weeks ago. Christine now. Christine's entered. We've actually had 165 entrants. So when we get to do the live, Mark's going to do the
reveal.
He's going to do the reveal. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to tell you a wee bit about, obviously, what we've been doing at Cuevas Helena during this time where we've been, obviously, like everybody, we've been affected with COVID, we've been shut, but we've got through the summer, but we're really looking forward to 2021.
Yeah.
And Mark's
we've been locked down, but we've been busy keeping things going here at Cuevas Helena with building work and just additional things in the cave and outside just to freshen it up for 2021 and hopefully have a better year than this year. Obviously, there's other folk joining now.
Yeah, that's good. But as Mark was, he's been really busy, so he's been obviously doing all the painting after the work that's been done.
Yeah, well, obviously we had a bit of problems with doing skylights and things, so we've been busy in the caves. We had to get holes drilled right through the roof up to the top, and that's about 6 metres into the tunnels. So we've done that, and then we've had to replaster, or re-yeso as we call it in Spain. So we've been doing that, and now I'm actually painting the whole cave again.
So the cave's going to be looking fab for when we reopen, and we're hoping to reopen probably, we're not going to see a date yet, but when we do, we'll announce it on Facebook. But when we reopen, we're actually, the cave will all be done, so it'll be like having a new cave, fresh start for 2021 for everybody. So fingers crossed, everybody will have a great 2021. So without me rambling on a wee bit here, what we're going to do is we've got 13 folk watching, maybe wait a wee bit longer and see if we get more so as we can reveal this prize. What I'm going to do is later on, I'll tell you at the end of the video, we've got like a special offer on for everybody that's subscribed to our newsletter. So I'll announce that at the end, and I'll obviously let you know about what that is. But actually, I think we'll just, instead of rambling on, I think we'll just go ahead and we'll do the winner now. Now, we were going to share our screen and do it, but it was getting a bit technical with the Wi-Fi. So Mark, my assistant, he's going to do it. So we're going to do it live. So all your names and whether you've, all the people who's entered, tagged, and all the people who subscribed to our newsletter, they get 2 and 3 entries what they've done. So you get the double the chance to actually, hopefully, winning. So yeah, I'll pass you over to my assistant, Mark.
So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the wheel. We're going to spin the wheel, this funky wheel here. I'm just going to press the play. Oh, sorry.
Here we go. Good luck, everybody, and thanks for entering.
Sorry.
Let's see who's going to be our winner.
Sorry.
And the winner is
Eileen Walsh.
Eileen.
Eileen Walsh.
Eileen Walsh. Congratulations, Eileen. Now, we can't contact you because obviously you've got to contact us because it looks as if actually we're spamming you. So if you contact us, just drop us a message on Facebook or drop us an email through our website, and then we can arrange to get your 2 nights.
Or if somebody knows Eileen, just let her know if she's won.
Yeah,
or if she's live, it'd be nice, but I don't think she's live.
I don't know whether she's live, it'd be good if she was, but if not, if somebody knows her, if you could just tag her in the comments. So I think that's absolutely everything that we can go on. Didn't want to take you on a Friday night, but cheers. Cheers to your winner.
Well done, Eileen, or what, sorry.
And thank you very much to everybody for entering. This is something that we'll probably do again. We only do it a couple of times a year, but it's always a success and everybody seems to enjoy it. But have a great Friday night, everybody. And lastly, if you have subscribed to our newsletter, we're doing an offer. Now the offer is that we've got gift vouchers. So for instance, if you buy a €50 gift voucher, we're putting 20% on top of that. So you'll get you'd get €60. And so wherever you buy 100 or 200, whatever, you get 20%. So, but that offer is only on until Monday. So if you want to take the opportunity to buy a gift voucher, then we'll send you the email and you can, obviously the link will go on here probably later on as well. But that's only on until Monday. So if you want to take the opportunity to get an extra 20%, I know everybody can't think about flights, booking dates, etc. But they're valid for till next year. So there's plenty of time. We've got a year's expiry. So if you want to take that chance, then I'll get the link and I'll send you an email. Okay? Now have a fab weekend, everybody.
And congratulations again for Eileen Walsh.
Yeah, we don't know her, but it'd be nice to meet you when you come. Okay, speak to you all later. Have a nice weekend, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.